Emotional wife versus practical husband. Hi, friends. Welcome to Marriage Realities, a comprehensive relationship channel. Today's video is all about the relationship issues arising in the married life of an emotional wife when she's married to a practical husband. Basically, as a woman, you're highly sensitive and emotional. On the contrary, as a man, your husband is pragmatic and practical. It is this clashing difference in the attitude between you that sows the seed of dissent in your relationship. Your mentality as a wife and the mentality of your husband is very contradictory and clashing. You're so emotional that you always demand emotional backup from your husband. You feel crushed when your husband takes practical view of everything in your relationship. Many a time you feel upset because your husband is not appreciative about your care. But you should understand your husband from his viewpoint. Your husband will always be pragmatic and rational in his approach towards his family. You feel completely unloved by your husband because of his undemonstrative nature. Many a time you feel that your husband is emotionless and heartless. You're often furious that your husband is ignorant about your emotions. On the contrary, your husband feels that you're a drama queen prone to unwanted melodramatic display of emotions. This opposite characteristics between you makes your married life confusing and muddled up to you. You're confused whether your husband loves you at all. But this contrasting nature between you could turn out to be a blessing. Are you wondering how? How will your married life be if your husband is as emotional as you? Your relationship will be stifling, taxing, and tedious. When both are emotional, both will fail to see the practicality of your relationship. You will demand that your husband should always satisfy your emotional needs. Your husband also will be demanding that you satisfy his emotional needs. When both are highly emotional in your married life, your relationship would be quite impossible to survive, as both find satisfying the emotional needs of the other a laborious task. Shall we now see what happens when you and your husband are practical towards each other? When both are too practical, your relationship becomes dry, uninteresting, and lifeless. Too much practicality is that much boring and mentally draining. There will be a balance of emotions in your relationship only when your characteristics is opposite to one another. So, when your husband is grounded and you're emotional, your married life will be a beautiful combination of practicality and sensitivity. The two opposite characteristics you display towards each other makes your marriage tolerable and sensible to you. And your emotional attitude brings the much needed compassion and warmth into your relationship. On the flip side, the practical attitude of your husband brings the much needed logic and rationality into your married life. Why does your husband define you as too emotional? Your husband feels you emotional as you're constantly looking for signs of his love. When your husband does not demonstrate his love, you feel he's unloving and emotionless towards you. You're also always anxious about the success, well being, and health of your husband and family. Your emotional nature makes you feel easily hurt when your husband utters harsh words in a momentary flash of anger. Your emotional attitude makes you rather demanding and challenging to your husband. Now, let us have a look at the good things happening in your relationship because of your emotional behavior. Your emotional attitude makes you supportive and protective towards your husband. You also behave loving and caring towards him. You enjoy the time your husband spends with you as it makes you loved by him. Such emotional qualities will be missing in your husband. Unlike you, your husband is grounded and down to earth. He is not emotional and keyed up as you are. Your husband also likes to spend his time alone doing his own thing. Your husband does not get himself knotted up with family worries like you do. There are times when you feel that your practical husband should be more appreciative and demonstrative towards you, don't you? You're angry when your husband behaves too logical and rational towards you. And you bitterly argue with your husband as you feel he's insensitive towards your tender feelings. You're often furious when your husband overlooks your good aspects. You feel upset when your husband criticizes your emotions as impractical and unrealistic. Can you see how different both are in your attitude and behavior? But strangely, such marriages work fine. Do you know why? When you're an emotional wife, you make your marriage enjoy the qualities of limitless love and care. Emotional well being is very important to make your married life worthwhile, meaningful, and fulfilled. You give instant support to your husband as you have the capacity to understand him from his angle. But when you're too emotional, your relationship also turns highly demanding and clinging. Your decisions are always emotional and impulsive. Do you know that you cannot always be emotional in your married life? Because your married life needs practical approach also. This is where your practical husband steps in to play the balancing act. Your practical husband brings the highly emotional atmosphere created by you to normalcy. Your husband balances your highly emotional approach to family issues with his practical approach. Your emotional behavior makes your husband feel the pressure of making you understand that his practicality in no way signals his lack of love for you. Now, how should you and your practical husband live through your married life? Your married life should be a combination of both emotional well-being and practical approach. You should be practical when the situation demands it. Your husband should also be emotional to make your married life near perfect. Can you be emotional when your family issues need intelligent handling? No, you cannot. Can your husband behave practically when you're feeling down and out? No, he cannot. Your husband should emotionally support you to make you feel loved and cared by him. It is true that the matter-of-fact approach of your husband towards you makes you feel unloved and overlooked. But you should refrain from being too demanding about getting the attention of your practical husband, because the practicality of your husband rebels against your seemingly immature behavior. Too much practicality and too much emotional craving is very dangerous to a relationship. Both characteristics slowly but surely creates negative impact in your relationship. Understand that your husband loves you even though he does not demonstrate it. Make your husband like spending time with you by being sportive and overlooking. Take interest in the passion of your husband. It makes your husband want to spend more time with you. Allow your husband his own personal space. Develop your own interests so that you do not cling to your husband for attention. Communicate in a friendly manner so that it makes your interaction interesting to your husband. Do not become emotional at the drop of the hat. Handle your family problems rationally and sensibly. There are times when you should be down to earth and reasonable like your husband. Do not be too impulsive. Face the ups and downs in your married life realistically. Being practical does not make your husband unloving. It just means he takes life as it comes. Your emotional understanding as a wife and as a mother cannot be matched by your practical husband. Did this video make you understand the simple tricks to handle the practicality of your husband? Marriage Realities will have many such relationship eye-openers. Subscribe to my channel to understand your marriage in a new light. Press the bell icon for updates about my latest relationship videos. Make love forever until death do us part your relationship goal.